Hey everyone, Herbert Flores here from IamHerbertFlores.com. So today I just want to share a short video on how to generate free traffic using slideshare.net. Okay, so before we go on the tutorial, so I want to share short information. What is SlideShare? So SlideShare is a Web 2.0 based slide hosting service owned by LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn is a social media site, okay, wherein you can upload your files privately or publicly in the following file formats. So you can upload PowerPoint, PDF, Keynote, or open document presentation. So within SlideShare, you can also back up your files. Okay, if you upload a file in this platform, and when someone is searching here in Google, so it can rank at the page 1 of Google. So it depends on the keyword and title of your file. So right now you need to go here at slideshare.net and create your account. And now I already log in on my account, and I will upload a PowerPoint. Okay, so all you need after you log in is to upload a file. Then select files to upload on your desktop. Once the file is uploading, you can now put the details of this file. So you can put the title. Okay, so right now I'm promoting a new home-based business. Okay, so this is a PowerPoint presentation, short PowerPoint presentation. So you need to create a title. Okay, and then on the description, so you can put an article about about the file that you uploaded, and don't forget to put the affiliate link or the website of the product that you want to promote. Okay, so right now I have an article, and all I need is to copy and paste this article and put on the description. Just copy your article and then paste it on the description box. And the first line of the description, just copy the title and paste it. So after that, put put your website. Okay, so once you paste the description or the article of your file, you can now choose the category. So choose what's the category of your file. Okay, so because I'm promoting online business, so let's choose business, and then privacy is public, so that anyone can view this file. Okay, then go to the tags box. Okay, so there's a box wherein you can put the tags or the keyword. So the main keyword is Magic 10 marketing. So just put here Magic 10 marketing or Magic 10 marketing review. If you don't have any idea what are the keywords that you can put on your pile at SlideShare, so you can go at Google and search for the company or for the product that you want to promote and get the keywords. So let's see the Magic 10 marketing. So you can browse under the page 1, or you can go at okay, so you can use Google AdWords Keyword Planner or keywordtool.io. Okay, so it's an alternative tool. It's a free tool that you can search keyword. So example here is Magic 10 marketing. Okay, there's a lot of keyword terms that, so right now I have 2 unique keywords. Okay, so just copy this one, Magic 10 marketing reviews, and paste it on the tags, and put this other one, keyword 10 magic marketing tips for restaurants. Or you can add something example, because this online business is a new MLM online business, so you can put new MLM free lunch or Magic 10 marketing compensation plan. Or how to earn at Magic 10 marketing. Owner of Magic 10 marketing. So that's also, you will see the score below at the tag. Okay, if your article is okay, and so you can now click the publish if you already finish. So click the publish. So now your file is already uploaded. Then you can share it through LinkedIn, Facebook, or on your Twitter, or with your Google Plus account. Okay. So after that, you can also link your website. You can add your referral link, and you can also add some hashtag. Okay, and then click on share. So just click the share button, your Google Plus. So you can also use this Facebook, and you can share it on your wall or with the group. Okay, you can share it in the group or with your fan page that you manage. then just add a caption. So brand new online business, come and check this out. Okay, back your spot, then click the post to Facebook. So that's also, after that, just wait, just check it tomorrow or on the next day. If there are, you can check the statistic of your file. Okay, just go here at your My Upload or Analytics. Then you can check the statistics every day. Okay, how many people who view your file or download your file. So go to My Uploads, then you can check how many views already with your file. Okay, so example, here are some of my old files. So one of my file received 79 views. Okay, the other one is 252 views. So here's the one I already received, one download, 178 views. Okay, so the other one, I uploaded a PDF file about video marketing, so I received 27 downloads, then 317 views. Okay, then the other one, I received 48 downloads and 913 views. So this is a free traffic, okay, wherein you can get visitors to your offers, okay, to your product. So I hope you will learn something on how to generate free traffic to your offer.